Oh no! Oh yeah! No!
Enough of resting. Time for some, says the mammoth, or what we call sand mammoth. Just kidding. He just needs some water. Poor guy was prone to mirage.
Oh no!
Suddenly, the mammoth came across a crystal while passing by the desert. A deer was watching him being confused and decided to help.
What?
If you unite that crystal with its family, you'll get a reward. Is there any such place? There is. Should I take you there?
They kept walking till a distance. And suddenly the deer was exhausted.
Are you exhausted? Let me help.
The mammoth soon transformed into sand and took the deer till the end of the desert. Now they're walking among trees and came across a potential fear: water.
Don't worry, we will figure this out.
The deer saw a log of wood and constructed a raft. Both of them safely crossed the crystal-clear river. And ran to their destination amongst and soon the mammoth was welcomed by luminous crystals and united the baby crystal with the ones it belonged to. Then a crystal moved open, and they entered into a land with delicious apple trees and fairy-like habitation. Here's one scary-looking crocodile that owns this riverbed. She freshly laid some eggs, and she feels so happy about it. Also, there was a snake, who has always been wicked like the rest of its ancestors. He's in search of eggs to end people's mind. And there he found a crocodile. As expected by him, there were eggs. The crocodile left for a few minutes. The mother instincts killed him. The crocodile turned back to see the snake, but couldn't find her eggs. She fled back to the scene and realized that the cunning snake ate his eggs. The crocodile The snake was continuously and chased the snake. And he never really ate and saved up in throat.
It's all about fun and some racing with the funny jungle animals. Here is the king lion.
Hello guys. Today I am going to conduct a race among you all. Are you ready?
Wow. We are all ready, my king.
Okay. The vehicles ready for the animals. 3, 2, 1, go! Hooray! All have started going. Let's see the fun. Wow! Wow! One by one. And the crocodiles are chasing the elephant. From the water continues the race. Wow! Oh no! Mr. Gorilla and Tiger continues the race. Wow! Tiger is the winner. Ahem! Welcome back, my dears. How did you enjoy the race?
Wow, super my king. But the cunning fox us. Did you do that, Mr. Fox? No, no. No. I extremely sorry, my king.
Welcome to the zoo and see the wild. They might be marvelous, but they just want to escape. Here's the farmer gorilla. And that's his pretty cattle.
All right, come back. We're all visiting the zoo today.
The farm animals are super excited for their zoo visit. Mr. Gorilla brought them stuff about the wild to his farm babies.
What?
Meanwhile, the animals were all shocked upon something.
Did you see something?
There's a lion behind you.
Oh my god!
The goat jumped into the bison's place, thinking he could escape the lion, but little did he know that the lion knew how to jump. Goat purposefully irritated the bison. Again for the sheep at the elephant's cubicle.
What?
Begins for the baby cow. It's time for the pig now. A great help. The lion.
It was the farm animals that annoyed you. I was just trying to help you from them.
The lion manipulated wild ants against the farm animals.
All right, guys, escape quickly.
And that's how the gorilla prevented a huge tragedy. Goodbye to the wild animals. You'll never be free like them.
This is the common dam where many animals come and graze. They are all living in harmony. Meanwhile, there is an eagle on top of the hill that has come to notice this dam. He went to check out and felt something odd about this dam. No sooner than that, it began pouring in their village.
Oh no!
All the animals kept watching in the hope that it would stop, but it hasn't.
If you all stay here, the dam might break any time.
The animals are taken towards the airplane. And no sooner than that, the land was flooded with dam water.
Guys, you all need to climb up quickly. The land will be flooded soon. You all need to come with me.
The eagle went on to alert the wild animals on the other side, but no one is ready to listen to him. As said soon, the land and trees began disappearing. And the wild animals were caught up before the water eats the airplane. The eagle flew off with the animals who listened to it. Pirates on the shore? Just kidding. There are some adorable bison heading towards the shark zone.
All right, pals. Get ready for the risk.
The boat sailed into the beware zone, and there waited. The perils of the sea.
What?
I'm positive they'll let us go.
The wrong answer.
What?
The sharks are in a dramatic mood. They smoothly came up and hijacked the ship. Soon they made attempts to drown the ship. And one by one they made every attempt to attack the bison.
It's time to show them what we're capable of.
Appearance. That is it. The other sharks eat further.
We're gonna sail towards the dolphin zone. Keep up.
What?
The dolphins seemed sharper than sharks. The dolphin took him down.
What?
Start the ship quickly.
The dolphins kept following, but the bisons faced them bravely.
Oh no!
The bison got on the ship Dolphin. Soon the bison swam across the shore. The bison we thought had been perfectly alive and resurrected. He came safely towards the shore, untouched by any dolphins. The bison inhabited the island and hence lived peacefully. Diving into a normal farm and normal cattle. He's the keeper who keeps check on everything. On a fine day when the buffalo is carried away by his nap,
What?
Hey, you all right? Why are you being so...
Oh
without understanding a thing, the buffalo's in a mood to and now targeted the young calf. The goats are not giving up. Just when the keeper came, he panicked and went in to see the bully. He's heavily disappointed. But at least he's got a solution. Buffalo was called and he bathed his entire body. And the actual came out as good as